गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम चंदन कुमार सिंह है। आज मैं क्लास नाइन्थ के लेसन नंबर 3 जो है उसे मैं पढ़ाने आया हूँ। वो है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग और इंटरनेट। उसके बारे में मैं आपको जानकारी दूंगा और इसमें जो है आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको लेसन नंबर 3 जो कि जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने आया हूँ, उसमें नेटवर्किंग, उसके नीड, उसके एडवांटेजेस, उसके कंपोनेंट्स और जो टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क हैं, प्रोटोकॉल हैं, टोपोलॉजी हैं, इसके बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। बहुत ध्यान समझिएगा। अगर आपने इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले लाइक बटन दबाकर उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकॉन दबा के ऑल करके उसे लाइक कर दें, ठीक है। ओके, so let's talk about the computer network and internet. What is computer network? A computer network is a type of thing through which we can connect more than one computer at a time, more than one computer at the through the medium that is known as computer network. It means a computer, more than one computer are connect with the wire or wireless medium. It is known as computer network. Okay. Some question are asked in this type of thing, that what is workstation. A workstation is a computer that cannot connect any type of network, that is known as workstation. Okay, workstation. अदर थिंग आर नीड फॉर अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क। कौन कौन सी नीड्स होती हैं कंप्यूटर की, उसके बारे में जो है इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में दिया गया है, तो उसे आप जरूर समझ लें। ओके, सबसे पहला है रिसोर्स शेयरिंग। व्हाट इज रिसोर्स शेयरिंग? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट facility resource sharing hardware resources like printers, modem, scanners, and everybody can share same printer in an organization, just like offices, just like any type of the where the printer and scanners or other devices are work properly firstly. So these type of things are known as resource sharing. It means a printer or scanner or modem are used by more than one computer at a time, that is known as resource sharing. Okay, second one is file sharing. In a workplace, we are using the same data. Can share it over a network by storing it centrally. It means हम सर्वर पे अपने डाटा को स्टोर कर देते हैं और उसे जब चाहिए, जिसको चाहिए, वो डाटा को एक्सेस कर सकता है, दैट इज नोन एज फाइल शेयरिंग। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज कम्युनिकेशन। कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स वी कैन कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल, ईमेल or messaging are the most popular communication sites. It means we can send our data through the text or pictures format, that is known as the email format. We can communicate with each other from one computer to another computer, that is known as communication. Okay, and next one is cost effectiveness. It means if we can share the resources, the cost is automatically reduced, because one printer or one scanner are work as a central resource, so the cost has been reduced. Okay, एक प्रिंटर और एक स्कैनर चूंकि जो है सभी कंप्यूटर्स के लिए होते हैं, तो इस वजह से अगर मान लीजिए हमें 10 कंप्यूटर 10 अगर हमें लगाने होंगे तो वहाँ पे कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगी, बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। लेकिन एक ही लगा हुआ है, इस वजह से इसकी कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगी, बहुत कम हो जाएगी। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज scheduling activities. Scheduling activities are known as a variety of network that are scheduled. Software is available. With the help of such software, it becomes easy to arrange the meetings without contacting checking everyone schedule. Okay, we can fix the meeting at what time that we want. Okay, जब हमें ज़रूरत हो तब हम सबके अनुसार मीटिंग को अरेंज कर सके, ताकि जो सबका शेड्यूल है वो भी खराब ना हो और हमारा काम भी बहुत आसानी के साथ हो जाए। तो दैट इज नोन एज scheduling activities. Okay, next one is shared internet access. It means, as you know, that modems are the various type of things through which we can use the internet, and these type of things are provide us the networking capabilities. Okay, while talking of networking, we can't leave out internet. It there are merely computers, but a single telephone line. You can connect all the computer with the single telephone line, that is known as shared data internet access. In this type of thing, networking can access each and every computer with the help of various type of wires. It is called telephone line. Okay. Okay, next one is data security. What is data security? As you know, that data security can be handled easily using a network, because a server can store all type of data that can stored by the workstation or nodes. Okay, so the central server are the most efficient and secure place where we can store our data, and that security is known as data सिक्योरिटी. ठीक है, सर्वर के अंदर जो हम डाटा रखते हैं उसकी सिक्योरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा जो है स्ट्रिक्ट होती है, और इसी वजह से डाटा को एक जगह पे ही नहीं रखा जाता है. अलग अलग कंप्यूटर्स को अलग अलग सर्वर्स बना दिया जाता है, जैसे हेड ऑफिसेस जिसे कहते हैं. आप लोग हेड ऑफिसेस का नाम सुना होगा. वहाँ के जो कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं उनमें सारे दुनिया के, मान लीजिए बैंक का जो चीज़ें हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें ज़्यादातर मुंबई, दिल्ली, कोलकाता जो है, इन सब जगहों के जो हेड ऑफिसेज है वहाँ पे स्टोर रहते हैं, और जब ज़रूरत होती है उनकी तो वहाँ से हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सेस करते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग? व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर and peripheral devices such as printer, such as speakers, such as scanners. These type of things are known as computer network. Okay, it is a it is also called a computer component connected by the computer links to order the establish of computer network. So computer network or computer networking are the type of thing where we can link more than one computer through any medium. That medium is known as computer networking. Okay. Okay, now advantages of networking. As we all know that we have some advantages of networking, because through which we can we can add any type of thing that was helpful for us. Just like each and every user in now time can do the online shopping from home, just like Flipkart, OLX, Amazon. These type of shopping sites are very useful for the users, because they cannot have much time to shop into the market, so they can shop here, and these type of things are known as online shopping. Okay, next one is data sharing. We can share our data from one place to another place with the help of network and networking. So we cannot have so much time, because we cannot have so much time to send the data through text or very much physical things. Okay, that is known as data sharing. Okay, sharing resources. Furtherly, I told you that resource sharing is a type of sharing resources. Sharing resources means we can use these type of thing, just like we can share our resources, just like printers, just like scanners, modems. These type of things we can share more than one computer at a time, is known as sharing resources. Okay, sharing information. Just like any type of files, any types of data, we can share from one computer to another computer. That is also advantages of networking. Okay, high productivity. We can make such things more than one time are known as high productivity, because computer cannot get bored, cannot tired, so our productivity is higher than higher. Okay, and this is known as high productivity. Easy working. As you all know that through the network we can easily manage our data, our information, so it is known as easy working. Next one is e-commerce. E-commerce is a site through which um, we can buy or rent any type of thing, just like Flipkart, Amazon. These type of things are known as e-commerce site. The Flipkart, Amazon, OLX, these type of things are known as e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. It means we can shop through the electronically form, is known as e-commerce. Okay. Security. Security is a thing where all type of data is stored into the server, into the central server, and that server can secure your data from the various type of threats, just like viruses or any type of other things. That is known as security. Okay. Now, component of a computer network. What is the component of the computer network? There are such things that are the component of the computer network. First one is server. What is server? It is a main computer of any type of networking, where the user, where the programmer can store their data. That computer is known as server. Okay. Okay. Next one is client or the workstation. Client means a user that use the computer network, that use the computer, are known as nodes or client or workstation. Okay. Communication medium. What is communication medium? Communication, the next component in any computer is communication medium. In a network, a communication medium is used to transfer the signal and data. Okay, just like analog to digital, digital to analog, these type of things are known as the communication medium, and it is known as wire or wireless medium. Okay. Okay. Next one is NIC. It means network interface card. Network interface, interface means एक ऐसा पुल होता है जो कि आपके कंप्यूटर और क्लाइंट को आपस में जोड़ने का काम करता है. ठीक है, सर्वर और क्लाइंट को आपस में जोड़ने का काम करता है. इट इज ए स्मॉल पीस ऑफ हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस दैट हेल्प द वर्कस्टेशन टू बी कनेक्टेड टू द नेटवर्क and communicate with other computer, that is known as NIC. It means network interface card. ठीक है, ये छोटे से जो है हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस होते हैं जो कि आपको आपके कंप्यूटर को नेटवर्क से जोड़ते हैं और उन पे काम करने लायक आपको बनाते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस क्या क्या होती है? जैसे आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा हब का. ठीक है, हब. राउटर्स का नाम सुना होगा आपने. राउटर्स क्या होते हैं? ये जो है रूट बताने का काम करते हैं और कि कहाँ ट्रैफिक है कहाँ नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ये जो चीज़ें होती हैं उन्हें हम लोग कहते हैं नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. ओके. आप लोगों ने जो है ब्रिज का नाम सुना होगा. अगर आप कंप्यूटर पढ़ते हैं, इससे पहले आपने पढ़ा हो तो ब्रिज का नाम आपने सुना होगा. ठीक है, और स्विचेस का नाम आपने सुना होगा. ठीक है, तो स्विचेस के माध्यम से भी हम लोग कंप्यूटर, एक से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर्स को आपस में जोड़ते हैं. तो ये जो डिवाइसेस हैं इन्हें हम लोग कहते हैं नेटवर्किंग डिवाइसेस. ठीक है. ओके. फिर उसके बाद है टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क. एज यू ऑल नो दैट नेटवर्क्स आर वेरियस टाइप. फर्स्ट वन इज लैन, सेकेंड वन इज मैन, वैन, PAN and CAN. These type of networks are various type. LAN, it means local area network. Local area network means a building or a small geographical place are known as LAN. ठीक है, where network can stands. Okay. Local area networks, it is a type of network, most common type of network that connect the locally computer in one building or any small geographical places. It can connect more than one data and specific 100 computer at a time into the 1 to 5 kilometer range. That is known as LAN, local area network. What does it call? Local area network. Okay. local area network. तो ये जो लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क है इसमें हम लोग ये जानते रहिए आप कि इसमें हम लोग छोटे छोटे प्लेसेस को आपस में जोड़ने का काम करते हैं, तो उसे हम लोग कहते हैं लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. ठीक है. सेकेंड वन इज मैन. इट कॉल्ड मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. मेट्रोपॉलिटन, इट मीन्स more than one city we can connect through the network, through the through the any medium, just like wire or wireless medium. It is known as metropolitan area network. It can connect more than one computer and specifically 1,000 computer at a time. That is known as metropolitan area network. Third one is wide area network. It can connect all over the world computer at the same time through the various satellites and other things are known as wide area network. Okay. Next one is personal area network. It means a personal computer can connect through the network. It's known as personal area network. It can work personally. The user can work personally in this type of thing through the modem. Okay. Next one is campus area network. Campus means a various place, a particular place where all type of computer are connect with the network, that is known as campus area network. It is also a type of LAN, local area network, through which we can connect more than one computer at a time. Okay. Now, types of network. These type of things are types of network, and the nature of the computer network. Nature of the computer network are two types: permanent network, temporary network. Permanent network is a type of, most companies use the permanent network to transfer information, such as permanent network uses cable to link computer together. The computer and cable are the permanent network. Stay connected and place all there is known as permanent network. Okay. So in this each and every computer are connected with the wire. So these type of network are known as permanent network. Okay. Temporary network. Temporary network is a network connection that is established for the brief period of time and then disconnected. The most common type of temporary network occur when an employee connect a computer at home to a computer work in the office using a modem. Okay. This type of network are known as temporary network, because it can occur only when the computer user can want that type of network, is known as temporary network. Okay. Okay. Now, almost network topology. What are topologies? Network topology, the physical and logical layout of the computer in a network is called computer topology. Computer topology is such type of things through which we can connect the computer at the same time, and these type of things are known as computer network topologies. Computer network topologies are very useful, that can connect the more than one computer at the same time in just like these things. Okay. The first one is bus topology. What is bus topology? When more than one computer can connect to the single wire are known as bus topology. It can connect more than one computer in through the single wire. Okay, this is known as bus topology. This bus topology is very useful for the small places, for the organization or office. At the same time, the computer are connected with the network. In this type of network, the data transmission speed is very high and very good, so we can connect connect and transfer our data from one place to another place. This is known as bus topology. This is known as bus topology. Okay. Bus topology. Bus topology is a topology through which we can store the data at very high speed. This type of topology are very useful for the organization. Okay. Next one is ring topology. Ring topology. Ring topology is type of topology where computers are connected into this type of ring module. Okay. Computer can connect through the wire, and each and every computer are connected into the round shape, and this round shape is known as ring topology. This topology is known as ring topology. ठीक है. ये टोपोलॉजी सबसे जो है अच्छी टोपोलॉजीज में तो नहीं मानी जाती, लेकिन सिक्योर नहीं होती, क्योंकि इसमें डाटा कोई भी कंप्यूटर कोई भी डाटा देख सकता है, किसी का भी डाटा देख सकता है, तो इसलिए सिक्योर नहीं होता है. इसमें भी सिक्योरिटी बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती, लेकिन जो पहला कंप्यूटर होता है उसे हम सर्वर मान के चलते हैं, इसलिए ये जो है वो होता है सिक्योर होता है। और लास्ट जो आपकी जो है टोपोलॉजी है वो है स्टार टोपोलॉजी। इट इज़ द बेस्ट टोपोलॉजी फॉर डूइंग आवर जॉब, बिकॉज जो है इसमें जो सिक्योरिटी होती है इसकी बहुत हाई होती है, और सारी चीज़ें जो है वो सेंट्रल हब में आके स्टोर हो जाती हैं। और हब देखता है कि अगर किसी कंप्यूटर ने कोई डाटा भेजा तो सबसे पहले वो हब के पास आएगा, हब देखेगा कि उसको कहाँ भेजना है, 1 पे, 2 पे, 3 पे कहाँ भेजना है, तो वो फिर उस पर्टिकुलर जो है नोड पे भेज देता है। और इस वजह से इसका जो डेटा का सिक्योरिटी होती है वो बहुत हाई होती है। तो आप कह सकते हैं कि स्टार टोपोलॉजी आर द बेस्ट टोपोलॉजी फॉर डूइंग आवर जॉब, and it give us the data security most. Okay, so star topology is the best topology. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.